Well, of late steel stocks have been in focus. If you see Tata Steel share prices so far in June have declined by nearly 31%, while JSW has declined by nearly 20%. Now, the reason behind this is the declining steel prices both in the international and in the domestic market, also because of the export duties that were imposed in the market. Now, what the khabar that we are getting is that after the steel prices have declined for nearly 13 consecutive months, the HRC prices have now stabilized at close to around 59,500 rupees per ton on an average. Along with this, lower coking coal prices and iron ore prices have also led to an improvement in the raw material spreads. Now, the raw material spreads have risen to around close to 32,000 rupees per ton, which is at a 3-month high, and that is the highest level since April 2022. Now, if you see the spot coking coal prices, they are at 11-month low, while the iron ore prices are at the lowest level since December 2021. So these factors have aided not only the spreads but also the prices. But on the negative side, if you see, Edelweiss channel check is suggesting that retail buyers continue to remain on sidelines and they're not going in for big purchases because they're expecting a further fall in prices going forward because the prices of raw material have improved. So they're expecting the prices of steel also to improve further going forward, and hence large purchases are still not in cards for them. Also on the international market, if you see, the China GDP data has been weak. Also Chinese steel prices have declined by nearly 4%, which is keeping market and investors still cautious on the steel sector, and they're also expecting further price correction going forward. So at this moment, though prices have stabilized, further price correction is expected and the cautious stance continues on the steel sector.